What do you got?
A fire parrot.
What is that you have in your...
Uh-oh.
What do you have in your mouth?
Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you have to fix it? What's in your mouth?
A fire parrot.
A fire parrot? Whose fire parrot is that?
Baby.
It is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Fire parrot.
It's a fire... Is it a fire parrot? Or a pacifier?
That's a fire.
What is it? What do you call that? This thing, what is that? What do you have in your hand?
Fire parrot.
It's not a pacifier?
Pacifier.
Oh. Or is it a fire parrot?
No.
Is it a pacifier?
That's a fire.
What's in your hand?
A pacifier.
Oh. Oh, look what Daddy has.